Right here is my iPhone 16 as a webcam. And right here is the C920 made by Logitech. I will go over how to set this up because in my opinion, this one up here does not look as good as this one right here. So let's jump right in. So here is how you have the actual app on your computer and phone. You have to have it on both, so it's going to speak to each other over Wi-Fi. That is important. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go onto the computer right here. We're going to have this site right here. Type in Prism Lens. We're going to do that, and it's going to pop this up. It's going to be this live studio option right here. You're going to click that. So you have two options. You can do this live studio here, or you can just do the lens. I just use the lens, and then I use OBS to do all of the work. So we're going to download this option right here. So it all depends if you have a Mac here or like what I have a Windows right here. So we're just going to click this one. And again, guys, only the lens. Let's do lens here. So we're going to download that and it's going to take a bit. So I'm going to speed this up. Okay, cool. It's all said and done. So we could open the file here. And then it's going to be like, okay, hey, do you want this app to make a change to your device? Press yes. Cool. So I'm going to come out of here and let's see what it gives me. Cool. Here is what you are going to have right here. You know, if you speak English, you know, Spanish, all that kind of stuff. So from there, you're going to do what you speak. And then from here, you will have it to where you want it to go. This is all up to you. And then you are going to press install. I do have it already installed, but let's see what happens. Okay, so I already have it installed. Do you wish to reinstall? For me, I'm going to press no, but for you, it's going to be a little bit different. So once you get it installed, so I'm going to go to cancel. Okay, cool. So here's what mine actually looks like. I have this option right here on the bottom. I'm going to click that, and here's what I actually see, right? You have to scan a QR code, and it says right here, your PC and phone must use the same connection on Wi-Fi. So now we're going to hop over to our actual phone, and then we're going to set that up because you have to have it on both devices. Here we are on my actual phone. So you do have to go to your app store, and I am on an iPhone 16 here. So we're going to come down, we're going to go to search, and we're going to go to Prism. So it's going to go to, just type in Prism, and then it's going to have this icon right here. We're going to go to download. Cool. All right, now we're going to go to open, and here is what it's going to show up, right? So it all depends on what you have. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to use your account you have. Awesome. So here's what you have right here. You're going to say allow to give it access to the camera, and then as well as you're going to give access to the microphone, and then it's going to, again, access to your photos. Cool. For me, I don't want this on, so I'm going to go to don't allow, and here we are, and then it has all the options on here, right? Cool. Now we are in the actual app. Here is what you would have to do to set this up to your computer. So let me bring that up. All right, so all you're about to do is you're going to come down right here, and you're going to swipe over, and you're going to press that. Cool. And then this is what it's going to show on your actual phone. I'm going to go to allow, and you're going to go to connect. Now on your actual computer, what you're going to do is you're going to scan that QR code. Cool. and it has the share VTuber. I'm gonna go to okay. So it has this option here. So you're gonna come down right here, and you're going to go to that because I want 1080p. So we're gonna come down and I'm gonna do 1080p because it's the best. And then I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna do 6,000 bit rate. So it's faster. From here, you're going to come out and you're going to press connect. And now you are connected. Let me spin this around. And then you have your options to spin it around. If you want it looking at you, here's what it's going to look like, right? But I'm going to do my rear facing camera because it's the best, right? So if you see that, pretty cool. And then let me put this on the tripod. So you have to do this every single time. All right, so I got my front facing camera. Let me set this up as a webcam because if you look at that camera, I'm gonna show you what it looks like on here. So let me set this up real quick. Okay, perfect. So we are in the actual app right here. There's a lot more stuff that you could actually do on the actual app itself from this spot right here, which is cool. I'm not gonna hop into all that, but here's how you would add this into OBS. So let me pull this off to the side and then I'm gonna bring in this. So you can't see me right now because it's not on this screen recording. If you'd wanna use OBS right here, it says cool. And then I'm gonna hop into how you could actually use this for a call either on Zoom or I'm gonna use StreamYard, which is super cool. So right now you can see me on the actual cam up top. It's not too great, but I'm just gonna show you what is going on. So from here, what we are going to do, we're going to come down into here. We're going to go to video capture device. And I would say for sure, always have this open and already set up first before you use OBS because it has to have something to see. We're gonna come over here. Let's just say we're gonna go to new Prism 1. Cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Prism 1 Lens. So it's part 1. So here's what it looks like. So we're gonna come over and press OK. So this is what it looks like from the camera right here. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like compared to the actual other webcam here. Like it's different. Oh guys, this is on point for what you're going to do. So here's how you would set something of this up on StreamYard. Here we are on StreamYard. Right here is how you would be like, okay, here's what you have to set up. So as you can see right now, this is my phone still. So we're gonna hop into here and it's cool because it's being seen by the computer, the Lens 1 right here. So this is being seen by this app. So if you do something to this right here, it's going to show on here, right? So just keep that in mind there. So here's what it's going to do. But you would come in here, you're gonna do, all this extra stuff, right? Cool. And then from there, you're going to go to enter the studio and you are all set, guys. This looks good for what it is. So if you guys look up here, it's 720p, but guys, it looks pretty good. And I would say it is cool because all of this right here is free. This right here, I use to speak to people, all that stuff. And I'll be like, hey, look, it's cool because you can move this around and it's not hooked into the actual computer via with a cord of some sort, right? So like this here, you have to have this plugged in. And I would say it's an extra port you have to use on your computer. So I hope this helps. Like, subscribe, and I will put these up on the screen. It's going to help you a little bit more with your content creation. Have a good day.